Hey, what are we doing here?
G. Oh, big G.
Hey, G. What's Ari doing? She's doing laps again. She's doing more laps. Stop to say hi to the rabbit every once in a while. She say hi to Ziggy. There she goes. Mario Andretti. Indianapolis 500. Look at that big girl. Oh, there she goes.
Wow, aren't you busy?
To go to market for only one platform.
Uh-oh, look on TV. There's a kitty cat. What's the kitty cat doing?
Okay, I know.
What's the kitty cat doing? Meow. What does the kitty cat say?
Oh, hi, Harry.
What does the kitty cat say?
I'm fine. No, I wasn't doing anything important.
What does the doggy say?
Now you gotta say oh, that would be just.
What does the cow say? What does the pig say? What does the ducky say?
That's right.